The gates serve as the entrance to the cavity and should be designed to permit the mold to fill easily. A cavity can have more than one gate. Gates should be small enough to ensure easy separation of the runner and the part, but large enough to prevent early freeze of polymer flow, which can adversely affect the consistency of a part dimension. A variety of gate designs are shown in this video. Please watch the full video and also hit on like button. So you want to install a new gate? Great choice. A driveway gate can boost your home curb's appeal and provide an added layer of privacy and security. However, it doesn't take long to realize that designing a driveway gate is more involved than heading to the big box hardware store. You have to consider different gate material options, paint and stain, gate lighting and height, and width variation, just to name a few. Watch for some driveway gate design basic to get you on your way to creating your own custom entrance gate. The three main material for driveway gates are wood, metal, and others composite. Wood and composite gates are preferred for privacy, while metals are generally for aesthetic or safety, such as high security sites. You can combine iron tacket or custom iron flourishes with a wooden frame. An arch is a curve upward along the top of the gate. A scallop is a downward U-shaped curve. If you have a basic design idea in mind but don't want to look like every other house in the neighborhood, try changing the degree of curve on an arch or scallop to dramatically alter the entire look. All driveway gates require posts, which can simply be painted to the homeowner linking. However, wrapping a post in custom stonework, wood, or concrete adds a beautiful custom touch that elevates the appeal of even the simplest gate. Status or decoration will also upgrade the look. Wooden driveway gates can be painted with almost any outdoor paint. However, most customers option for a thin wooden stain to allow the natural beauty of the grain to show. For a weathered look, you can leave the wood untreated for a month before applying a clear stain. Iron and metal entrance gates get a coat of primer and 2 coats of the finish paint in the color of your choice. Almost all of our customers install lighting at their entrance. It's strongly recommended for safety purpose as well as aesthetic. Light can be installed on top of the post, on the front, or on the ground. We recommended that the size of the light fixture balance well with pillar size and gate width. If a fixture is too small, it can get lost in the rest of the design and may not provide enough light. Your gate can have additional decorative elements such as lighting panels, which are small protrusions that extend past the top of the gate, colors, which are added elements on the packets themselves, and other custom details such as spiral, hair, and circle. Your imagination is the limit, and these additions can dress up on otherwise basic gate design. Inlaying a design element or adding a custom cutout element is a great way for all types of properties to make a driveway gate truly unique. Tri-state gate can create almost anything you can think of. The sky is the limit. The width of your gate is ultimately dictated by the width of your gate and surrounding barrier. This is why it can be difficult to install a gate kit. We have uncounted many die jobs gone wrong, which ends up adding to the overall installation cost. Varying the height of a gate is a quick way to dramatically alter the look of your gate. We have installed extra high gates on narrow driveways and low gates on wide variety. As their names imply, swing driveway gates swing outward, inward to open, whereas sliding gates slide to one side to allow the vehicle to pass through. Sliding gates are great where space is most residential. Driveway use a double swing gate, which consist of two separate gates mounted to posts on both sides of the driveway. High security location and gate communities can combine a barrier arm with a swing gate for maximum protection. If you still have questions and would like to consult with an expert, contact us today. We are happy to help you design the perfect gate for your properties. I hope that you like these ideas. In the end of video, I am very thankful to all of those who watch the video at the very end. I also request to you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos, because on this channel I bring a lot of videos about home decoration ideas. Thanks again.